Okay, so a couple days ago, I did a comparison video between the new Sennheiser Momentum Wireless and the Sony WH-1000Xm3. Turns out that was not a fair comparison. Hey everybody, I'm Caleb Dennison with Digital Trends, and today I'm at Sennheiser's booth at IFA 2019 because, lo and behold, the new PXC 550 version 2 just came out. They were announced days after I shot that video, and these are the travel headphones that really should be compared to the Sony XM3 and the Bose 700 and the QC35 too. They fold flat, they have a much more compact case, and they have much better battery life. Okay, so straight away you can tell this looks more like a travel-friendly headphone. It's got a much more compact case than the Momentum Wireless did. Let's pop it open real quick, little zipper. It's a nice soft case too, I love the feel of this. So yeah, popping it open, not only do they, the ear cups turn in and they bend in correctly, I mean they fold flat for much more compact storage. Hey, thanks for the diagram, Sennheiser. That's actually pretty helpful. And then I assume all our accessories are going to be over here. Yep, sure enough, airline adapter still hanging out. We didn't see those with the Momentum Wireless. And then there's the proprietary cable with the little mini plug on the end. So sure enough, it looks like these guys are meant for travelers. Now, one thing I think is interesting, let's pull the headphones out and look at the bottom of the ear cups. Charging port looks like micro USB, not USB-C, so I don't know that we're gonna see some fast charging with these guys, but I do know that they have up to 30 hours of battery life, which is not quite as good as the Sony XM3, but it's right in line with the Bose QC35 II and the 700. Other than that, pretty basic looking set of headphones. Now we do know that this will use multiple microphones for the noise canceling tech. It is the same noise canceling tech I believe that you find in the Momentum Wireless, but these ear pads look far better for passive noise isolation. So we're gonna put those on in a second and gauge comfort, but a really jaw forward design here and angled drivers in the ear cups. Yeah, I mean, it's looking like these guys are built for travel. And also like the Momentum Wireless, if you turn the ear cups in, that actually powers the headphones off for you. So you don't have to remember to hit a power switch. They just power off like that, bring them back in, and they come back on, ready to pair or automatically pair to your device. So now the big question is, how do they feel and how's the noise canceling on these? My big complaint with the Momentum was that they were a little bit clunky, a little bit heavy, too much clamping force, really bothered the top of my head. Not the case here. Actually, these are really comfortable. Very lightweight, good passive noise isolation as is expected, and yeah, I could wear these for a long, long time. Just subjectively, they feel very similar to the Sony to me. As for noise canceling, it's definitely effective in this noisy environment here. I don't know how well it's going to do on the plane. I do suspect that this is the same noise canceling tech that you find in the Momentum Wireless. My problem there was they didn't quite wash out enough sound so that you could hear the amazing audiophile sound quality that they offered. With these, I think that, you know, it's a Sennheiser, it's gonna sound amazing no matter what, but with the Momentum, they're going for a particular sound signature, and I didn't feel like that shone through when the wash of the plane engines was going on. The noise canceling wasn't quite effective enough there, but I mean, for a travel headphone, I imagine these things are going to do awesome. We'll get a pair in, we'll check them out, we'll do a full review, but for now I just wanted to show you guys that Sennheiser indeed does know what it's doing when it's talking about travel headphones. So you've got the Momentum, which are a classy audiophile grade headphone that happen to have noise canceling and look really, really great. Amazing design on those, whereas this is your classic travel headphone. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these new Sennheiser headphones, whether you want to check them out before you get Sony or Bose. As always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you would, and as always, you'll find the latest tech news and reviews at digitaltrends.com.